Hey my beautiful babes, so today we're gonna be making a different video. It's not going to be a beauty video, as you can tell by the title. It's going to be a cooking video. So the reason I'm making this video is because I struggle to eat some foods. I struggle to eat beef. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. I'm like, no thank you. But it's good to eat all your nutrients, so like every few months from now I'll eat it. But I'm going to give you my favorite recipe to eat it, okay? If you're like, oh, it's all yucky, blah blah blah, I get you. If you like beef, I'm sorry, I don't think this video is for you. You can try it out if you want to, but just, I don't know, if you like the natural flavor of beef, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Well, anyways, I've got you. I bring to you this colonized dish, okay? And I can say that, let me tell you why. Okay, I'm Cuban. I'm of Cuban heritage, and supposedly we are estimated to be 60% white, okay? So yeah, I have it in my genes. I ran out to my boyfriend and I was like, I pick you, you're mine, okay? And then I took this recipe and now I'm here. So without further ado, we will be making my favorite Peruvian dish called lomo saltado. I have 3 tomatoes and 3 medium onions. Heat up your pan to the max and sprinkle some water. It should dance around like this. Add the oil right now and then lower the heat mid-level to lower. Now throw in the meat and it should sizzle very loudly like this. Make sure to thoroughly cook the meat until it's golden. When you're done thoroughly cooking, add the onions. Leave the onions cooking for about a minute and then add the tomatoes. After about another minute, you can add the soy sauce. And after the soy sauce, you could throw in a dash of salt. Now you can let it simmer in there for a little bit. Now, if you can look past my crusty looking rice, you can see that it is a very juicy recipe. Enjoy!